Hey, what's up everybody, this is Vincent CTK and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Xiaomi BlackShark 3 Pro. Let's get started. So here's the phone itself. Let's put it aside and see what else in the box. So you get a rubber case, user manuals, some stickers, SIM2, charging cable, and a 65-watt charging brick. Let's put on the case and see what it looks like. The case does give you some extra protection, but for the rest of the video, I would just leave it. Let's talk about some specs. The version I have here is a Snapdragon 865, 8GB of LDDR5 RAM, 256GB of UFS 3.0 storage. This phone has a 5000 mAh battery, which is very big, but when you think about it, it has a 7.1-inch OLED display, high refresh rate, and 2K resolution. Then it just makes perfect sense. Alright, so first of all, this phone is huge, but it's still a very comfortable size to hold on to. The build quality is top of the line, feel absolutely solid in my hand. At the front, you will get a 7.1-inch AMOLED display supporting HDR10, a 20 megapixel front-facing cameras. On the right hand side, you will see a power button, a game mode switch, and you can notice there is two pieces cut out on the side, and that is the most interesting feature of this phone, and that is the main feature why this phone is standing out from other gaming phones on the market right now, and I will talk about it later on this video. Let's jump on to the left side. You can see a volume rocker, a dual SIM slot both supporting 5G. At the bottom you will see a Type-C port supporting up to 65 watts quick charging. At the top you will see a 3.5mm headphone jack. At the back, first thing you will notice is the BlackShark logo. Also act as an indicator light supporting RGB so you can change the color. At the top you will see a triple camera setup, a standard wide angle, ultra wide, and a depth sensor for taking better portrait photos, a LED flashlight. At the bottom you will see a 4-pin connectors which is supporting up to 18 watts of charging, so you can game while you're charging so the cable won't get into your way. Alright, let's boot it up for the first time, shall we? And set it up like you would normally do with your new devices, as this is a Chinese version of the device, so you won't get Google services by default. You have to install it by yourself. So first thing I would do is go to settings and go to display and pump up the refresh rate to 90 Hz and pump up the resolution to 2K. To be honest with you guys, I've been absolutely spoiled by this 90 Hz display. Everything just runs so smoothly. It's hard to tell in this video, but if you get a chance to play on one, you will fall in love with it. As I mentioned it before, this is a huge phone. Let me just do a quick comparison with my iPhone 11 right here. So my iPhone 11 right here has a 6.1 inches display, so you get the idea how big is the BlackShark 3 Pro is. Alright, let's talk about the main purpose of this phone, gaming. The two-piece cutout, I mentioned it earlier before this video, is actually a motorized button, will automatically pop up when you launch a game. They are not the first company who came up with this kind of incrementation, but they are the first one who came up with a physical one. The other just do a capacitive touch one with a haptic feedback. Let me just turn on the sound and let you guys listen to it. and that is how satisfying with the clicking. I think most gamers will much appreciate it with this kind of clicking rather than a capacitive touch with a haptic feedback. Let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment down below. And I will do a full review on the BlackShark 3 Pro, so if you are interested in that, please subscribe, hit the bell icon so you'll be the first one to get notified when I upload a new videos. So that's it for today's videos. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys on the next one.